Hey guys, this Geek here. You can call me Geek Fashion. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit money to GeekPay and use it to make purchases on eBay. Before you start all the process to make purchases on eBay, you have to know the total amount you need to pay. So first of all, create an account on eBay and log into your account. Search for the product you want to buy. Now you have to log into GeekPay and deposit Ghana cedi and exchange it to the total amount you have to pay on eBay. Click on checkout page and you will see the total amount including shipping. Now click on pay for me. Click on new request. Enter the product name. Copy the link from eBay and paste it here. Enter eBay login details here. Select US dollars. Enter the total amount you have to pay on eBay. Click agree and click submit. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before proceeding this.